the uses of organic compounds. So let's have a look at what are the common uses we have of the organic compounds in our daily life. Basically, if we have a look on the organic compounds, then the things mostly we use in our daily life, they include the organic compounds. So they include the organic compounds, the things that we use in our daily life. And for simple is the food that we eat, it is of organic compound, and the clothes we wear, it is also an organic compound. And if we have a look, then the dependence of on organic compounds is increasing day by day. Our dependence on the organic compounds, it is increasing day by day, and it has also changed our lifestyle. So let's have a look that what type of common uses of organic compounds we have in our daily life. The first one we have it uses as food. So the food that we eat in our daily life, it includes milk, it includes eggs, it includes meat, it includes vegetables, and etc. These all consists of carbohydrates. These may have proteins, and these may have vitamins along with the fats, and all these are the organic compounds that we use to eat. So egg, milk, meat, vegetables, and extra, all these are the sources of organic compounds, and they include carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, and fats. So we need to eat this type of food in our daily life for the survival or for the energy. So we use organic compounds as a source of food. Next, we have the second use of the organic compounds. It is their uses as clothing. Clothing, the clothes that we wear, basically it is made up of fiber. It is mainly made up of fibers, and these fibers are either may contain cotton, they may contain silk, or they may contain wool. So our fiber from which we just prepare or we just made the food, they may made the clothes. It may contain cotton, silk, and wool, and mainly these all are the synthetic, or we can say that these are the natural products. Along with we have also other synthetic fiber like nylon, we have polyester, we have acrylic. These are the synthetic fibers, and mainly they are the organic compounds, and these organic compounds are used for the making of the cloths. So we use organic compounds as a clothing purpose. Next we have uses as a medicines. Most of the medicines that we use, they are the organic compounds. A lot of examples we have. Some are naturally synthesized, and these medicines may be naturally synthesized, and these naturally medicines that are synthesized by the plants are used as a medicine purpose. And most of the life saving drugs are prepared artificially, uh, and they are maybe antibiotics, antibiotics, they may be anti-inflammatory, and they may be anti-malarial, are also synthesized in the laboratory for the sake of the life. So mainly we have a look on the medicines, they are the organic compounds. They may be naturally synthesized by the plants, or they may be life-saving drugs prepared in the laboratory, and they include antibiotics, anti-inflammatory, and anti-malarial drugs. So we use organic compounds as a source of medicines. Next we have their uses as fuel. The fuels that we use in our daily life, it is mainly petrol, it is mainly diesel oil, or it may be compressed natural gas that is known as CNG, it may be coal, or it may be natural gas that we known as sweet gas. All these are the organic compounds. So we use the organic compounds as a source of fuel like petrol, diesel, CNG, coal, and natural gas. It is as used for the domestic purpose. It is used as domestic level for the cooking at home. So mainly organic compounds used as a fuel. Next, the fifth one use of the organic compounds we have, they are used as the chemical materials. So the chemical that we use, these chemicals may be rubber, they may be paper, it may be fibers, it may be fertilizers, it may be pesticides, it may be insecticides, it may be cosmetics, it may be paints, and it may be detergents. All these substances are the organic compounds that we used at our homes. The rubber, it may plastic, may fiber for making clothes, fertilizers to increase the fertility of the soil, pesticides, the medicines or the drugs used to kill the pests, and it is the insecticides mean the medicine used to kill the insects. Next, we have used the cosmetics like cutex, lipstick, and etc. Next, the paints and the detergents for the washing purpose. All these are the organic compounds. So the organic compounds are used as a chemical material. Next, the last one, it is uses as a life molecule. So the thousands of organic compounds are taking part in our body function. So all the compounds that are taking part in our body function, they are four groups of organic compounds. The first one group we have carbohydrates. The second group we have lipids. The third one we have proteins. The fourth one we have nucleic acid. All these are the making up the cells and their parts in the body, and these molecules are known as the life molecules, and they are mainly organic compounds. So organic compounds are also used as the life molecules. They are going to participate in the body functions, and they are also going to combine and making the or building the cells and their parts in our body. So this is all about that organic compounds are used as large scale in our daily life, and they are going to change our life day by day. I hope you guys understand about our today's lecture, and if you have any queries, you can ask me about that in the comment section. For that time, have a good day guys, and Allah Hafiz.